going on? Are you lonely? Do you want me to take you on a walk? What else would you like? You want me to love on you? Is that what you want? You want some love? What else would you like? Point at what you like. Or tell me what you like. Tell me what you want, boy. Huh? What you want? Huh? Oh, you're hugging on everything, aren't you? Well, Bluebell, what do you think? What do you think we should do today, huh? Oh, yes. We're going to yawn or stretch for us. And what would you like to do, Tano? Okay. Okay. And what else? Are we forgetting anything, Tano? Huh? Are we forgetting anything? You don't think so, Blue, do you? You just shook your head no. Okay. Babies. Do you want to say goodbye to all the viewers, Tano? Say goodbye to all the viewers. Want to say goodbye to all the viewers? Huh? Is that goodbye? Huh? Okay.